When I was a kid, I had the worst hiccups at camp. Well, my friend suggested that I drink a spoonful of vinegar, so we went to the camp nurse and asked. But as any other medical professional, she just said, "No, you don't need that. Just wait it out, take it easy, and they'll go away on their own." Yeah, that wasn't good enough for me. So 20 minutes later, I took it into my own hands and went to the cafeteria. We knocked on the door and asked the cook for some vinegar, which she thought was a weird request, but she went to go get some. All of a sudden, I hear the nurse from behind the door shout, "Remy, I told you not to use vinegar." Look, I never got my vinegar, but the scare definitely got rid of my hiccups.